This is Ashok Leyland's manufacturing plant in Hosur. This facility is the key manufacturing hub for heavy-duty engines. The world-class engines that are manufactured are the ones that power the rugged and tough commercial vehicles. This modular assembly line is the newest facility in this plant. It produces 320 engines in a day and 20 engines per hour. The powerful hands that drive this production every day is a workforce to reckon with. Introducing the first of its kind all-women line. A workforce that we are proud of. At Ashok Leyland, we empower our women to dream bigger each day. कोई मंजिल दूर नहीं.